Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're well. To the parents in the group, hope you guys are surviving the school holidays. We're just about, just about surviving. Looking on the daily on NAS, and just to recap what we put in the group, we have still this is the 22,250 zone, the previous all-time high over here, and the resistance. Most importantly, price obviously sold off hard from this level, being resistance. Over here was key, as we know, a break above and close above, breaking that resistance. But the key thing, or what we know, is that price is obviously pushing up because it's broken the ceiling. The key thing for us is to get a retest of the zone as support. So we looked at this example before where we had price over here break above a resistance zone, which was support. Support became resistance, became break above over here, broke that, and then retested the zone as support. So when this break happened of this resistance, right, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days to retest the zone as support, and then from there gone. So we can't force the market to come when we want it to come in our time. We also, the market, because it's at all-time highs, I could push even further up without a retest, and that's just how it goes sometimes. But the only thing we can wait for and what we know to do is once we do have a breakover level is to wait for that retest. Key. It's so key. So 22,250 is still very important for price to come into the zone. Rejected. I mentioned in the group 22,000, 20,800 is still sorry 22,000, 21,800 is still just below the zone. So this zone would be great to be tested. It has to be tested as support. But let's see if we get it. So looking on the 4 hour again. On the 4 hour, we mentioned the 22,600 area. This is the support over here. As you can see, price, it was resistance at 22,750, pulled down, made support at 22,400, 22,400, 22,400. Above, breaks above this resistance, and now is rejecting 22,600 as support. So key zone over here as well. That's the first, I would say, first major support zone. But a retest of the 22,250 area down here would be absolutely lovely. But keep an eye on the zones. I would say first look at 22,600 again. We have resistance at 23,000 just over there. And let's see if we get another dip into the zone. If the zone breaks, we'll look low to the next zone of it, 22,400, ultimately 22,250 as we looked on that daily. But let's see. The FOMC statement last night indicated they are going to cut rates. Nobody knows if they're going to cut twice before the year end, but the market is hoping for a big, two massive rate cuts. So positive in the market. Trump is throwing tariffs around again, so just have to be careful. But again, we can only watch our zone. So again, guys, just to recap, our zone over here, previous all-time high, broke over there, and the retest is what I'm waiting for now. Let's see if we get it. We'll look at US market open again, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much, guys.